we made it back. You just saw us talking at midnight here in the yard. Getting a chance to learn a little bit more about the car, going through the records the previous owner left for us. There was a small hit in the back. Looking at the records there, a little dent there, crack in the taillight there, but we want the front, so we're good. You need to get some juice to the battery to take it out of gear. So we got our jumper pack and put the key in, we'll get her into neutral.
Go press the button on it now.
We'll go press the button on it. And okay. Are we there? Oh,
just the connections.
I heard something turn on.
Well, nothing good.
All right. There, no, yes. No, each key should work. Positive on positive. Oh, negative on negative. Okay. Are we there? Is that a yes or no?
That is a very obvious no.
Obvious no. Okay. So, still looks nice. The next day, you see a little bit of, looks like a different color almost under there where the plate was, less faded. And the rear bumper looks like a slightly different color than the hatch. Could be where the sun's hitting it too, but something's beeping. There's that. Am I hearing road construction out there?
They were not connected all the way.
All right. So let's get her neutral first.
Oh,
Neutral. She's strapped. Okay.
That's
right there. And yep. And then hit eject top left. Is there a CD in there?
it just got mad. Press the
Oh, press. Which button? Top one?
The only button on the actual adapter.
Okay. Okay.
I see a CD. They come out now. Ejecting the disc.
Is it trying to eject? The previous owner did ask if there was a CD in the CD player. We would mail it back. It was a good CD.
Is there another? It's like stuck in between. I need something to like push it all the way back in. So yeah. You guys have another CD from something?
So we will grab. It's stuck part way. The CD player is sad. What do we got here? Nothing. What do we got here? What do we got? Oh, here we go. We got 100 CDs here. Mama's Summer 2015. The things that we do, right? So
Mommy's Summer 2015.
So we're trying to.
So you need to go hit the boost button again.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Boom. Trying to help that CD get out of there. We may have to fight with that another day.
There might. I think there's one in there, but it's kind of. There might. Should I stick this one in there?
Nope. Okay. Well, we will fight with that another day. You turn the radio on? You press the CD button or auxiliary or
Boost button.
okay. This battery is dead. Oh, turn down. Yeah, we don't want to get the copyright. Does it say there's a CD?
Ejecting disc.
Okay.
So I see one in there, just kind of.
Well, if she's stuck, she's stuck. We'll leave her as is. So, plans?
I think I got it back in. I got it back in all the way now.
Okay. And?
So now I need you to hit the boost button again.
I love hitting the boost button. Whoosh.
Move this. Ejecting disc.
It's making noise. Okay, what is it?
Fruit Bats, the Pet Parade.
Okay, Lauren, we will send back to you Fruit Bats. maybe we'll have to listen to it first. I don't know. The Fruit Bats. Okay, there we go. Mission complete. So we're gonna go unload this guy. We got tires for our bumper guard Suburban, our 99. These wheels, these tires are really wore. So we're gonna put the wheels and tires that are on that, which my daughter just drove away, onto here. And then the wheels, or the tires that we just got, we're gonna put on a second set of rims. Or eighth set of rims.
It kind of wants to go. You see the wiper wiggling? When I hit the wiper button.
It, you know, it's fine. We're not gonna. It's fine. Okay, last bit. So, putting the detective pieces together on this, about 10,000 miles ago, it shed a water pump. So
it says it broke the water pump shaft.
It says so. The water pump it gave up all the ghosts
At 91,000 miles.
at 191,000 miles.
That's what it said.
So about 10,000 miles ago, and we're pretty sure that was the beginning of the end for this poor thing. That it had. Since then, looking at the maintenance records, had been eating water, using water. A new radiator was put in place, etc., etc. So finally, it ate enough water that our head gasket gave out, and looks like it hydrolocked the engine, which does bad things to rods from there. But no, good car though. So it'll go to a good home, meaning half of this will go onto the banged up half of that guy hiding in there. It's decent enough. You would almost consider grabbing another motor, but that's about $3,000, so we won't do that. Thank you much.